How to create birthday photo on Snapchat. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Snapchat. Enter your login credentials and log into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, you need to click on Memories at the bottom left corner of the screen, right over here. Once you're inside the Memories section, at the very top you can see Camera Roll. Tap on it. From here, choose any of the photo that you want to create a birthday post. Click on it. Once you have selected the picture, click on this 3-dot icon at the very top and click on Edit Photo. Once it has been uploaded here, you can zoom in and adjust it. Now click on the sticker icon in order for you to edit. In the search bar, you need to search for birthday. Tons of different birthday stickers will be visible to you. Click on any one of it. Now place it anywhere on the screen. Likewise, you can choose any of the stickers and then place it in the photo. Let me select more stickers. Once you are done entering the stickers, now if you want to send, click on Send To at the bottom right corner. Now you will be able to send this birthday post to any of the people on your Snapchat. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.